Hey guys, Joshua Peterson, Peterson Electric. Here's the end of my day here for this job that we had a service panel change out because water was leaking in it. This is a sub panel. This is how it turned out. If you remember, there was 3 small panels that were here. Combined all those into one main panel, 3040 circuit main lug. 125 amp. And I did ENT conduit with the fittings. I'm not sure some inspectors would care about all your couplings and connectors right here, but I would say I wouldn't want to fail that and have to pull all those circuits out just to push them back in. So the extra, I don't know, 15 bucks for all of those is probably worth your time. The inspector here said he didn't care if that was protected less than 8 foot. This conduit is pipe right here, I should say, for the drain for the sink in the kitchen is going to get reworked because this is not the right fitting, but he's going to try to cut it back, get rid of all that cast iron back in there. I'm not sure they can change the direction of it, but maybe they could pull it away. The code does speak about in 110.26. I'm trying to figure out where that's at in there. If you guys remember, go ahead and give me a chat on that, but I know it's in 110.26 in commercial that you can't have any water above it or drain or rainstorm drain from pipes on commercial buildings. In this scenario, though, he said he can enforce that. Otherwise, I'd have to build some kind of drip edge, which I probably could. But he's going to rework that plumbing, and that comes from up in here, anyways, to get the ceiling fixed. It's interesting because it runs parallel to the pipe. I don't know why they did that. For us, everything was perpendicular here, coming through that SER, going outside. And that was that 10-inch hole. So you can see on my other video what I did outside. I already showed you that the other day. But here's the finish factor inside. And they did have to cut this wall back because they had just a little cabinet hole with a little door. You can't do that. It has to be flush. At least that new wall's flush here, but that outlet would have to be extended here, of course. So anyways, thanks for joining us, guys.